Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Enchantium and Archero too. In this tutorial, we'll take a quick look at how to use Enchantium and Archero 2 and why it's important for improving your gear. Enchantium is primarily used to enhance your runes, allowing you to boost equipment, stats, and make your character stronger during runs. To begin, open your equipment menu and navigate to the runes section. Once a rune reaches the high enough level, specifically at least 2 plus, the enhancement feature becomes available. From there, head into the rune workshop where you can forge and apply enhancements, stats, and legible runes. These enhancements provide additional bonuses that directly improve performance in game. In short, simply focus on leveling up your runes, and once they meet the requirement, you see the enhancement option appear, allowing you to use Enchantium effectively to power up your build. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.